Pivoting the business model for your t-shirt business can be challenging and scary, but also very necessary in order to see some growth. If you're looking for a sign, well, this is it, and keep watching as we dive deeper in the conversation. Hey guys, I'm Kelly Walters, and like I said, change can be scary. Sometimes a pivot can happen because you need to adjust and adapt to changes in the market. Customer preferences, they might change, and other factors that might affect your business. Here are some strategies you can employ when you're ready for that pivot. All right, first up is conducting market research before making any changes to your business model. It's extremely important to gain insight into your target audience, their preferences, and their needs. This can help you identify potential gaps in the market or opportunities to help set you apart from others, which of course would give you an advantage in that pivot. Now I'm going to tell you some ways that you can actually execute this. One of those ways is creating a survey that you can send out to current customers, potentially new customers. You can ask your friends to fill out these surveys. The best thing that you can do is go out and get that information that you need simply by asking. Now, another easy way is to have those returning customers or those orders that just got fulfilled send out an email that offers them a discount or a promo code on future orders simply by taking a survey. You can ask the questions that you want and you need and get those answers. So if you're not quite sure where or how to create these surveys, you can check out SurveyMonkey, Typeform, Jotform, and of course, Google Forms. All right, next up is focusing on a niche. One way to pivot your t-shirt business model is to focus on a specific lane or market. This can help you stand out from your competitors and attract customers who are looking for something unique. Consider niches like eco-friendly materials, sustainable fashion, or apparel for a specific industry or interest group and become the expert in that area. If you're not quite sure, the best thing you can do is dive a little bit deeper into yourself. So make a list of causes you support, activities, things you're passionate about, and of course, any careers that really interest you. Now, the best thing you can do is not be afraid to adjust your niche as needed. Now, do not forget that there can be a niche within a niche. And what I mean by this, if you're decorating for sportswear or spirit wear, you can actually dive a little bit deeper into that niche and figure out what products are missing, even what type of decoration methods you can provide that maybe somebody else isn't providing. That's going to make you the expert and of course the pro. Up next, which is one of my favorites, is experiment with new products. Another way to pivot your t-shirt business is to experiment with those new products, and that can involve introducing new designs, materials, or products that cater to a different customer preference. For example, you could introduce kitting, offer a variety of options for one particular corporation or event, fleece sets, or even accessories like hats and bags. All right, let's dive a little bit deeper into expanding your product line. Sometimes people do not know they need something until they see it. So if you're creating a collection for somebody, say a t-shirt, a polo, and a jacket, do not be afraid to start showing them the type of accessories that you can create as well. You're creating a full collection from accessories to head to toe and really letting people see what that entire look can be. Now, if you are really not sure how many products you want to offer, you have the ability to make this as expansive or as minimal as you like. But do not be afraid to show somebody what you can do, because you never know if you're going to turn around and actually add on more money to your orders. All right, up next, and extremely important in today's world, is building an online presence. You have to build a strong online presence that can help you reach a wider audience and expand your business. This can involve revamping your website, leveraging online marketplaces and platforms to sell your products. Last but not least, truly diving into utilizing social media to promote your products and show others what you are capable of producing, as well as business values. So as you are diving into really expanding that reach online, make sure you are getting in front of the right people. Connect with coaches, connect with industries that are putting on activities for those sports. That way you can get in front of the right people. Now remember, social media is actually meant to be social. You're not there to sell, you're here to show people what you can do, what you can create, and of course, by building that relationship, you're building trust and getting more people to see your business. Now, last but not least is collaborating with other businesses. Collaborating with other businesses can help you tap into new markets and expand your customer base. Look for opportunities to partner with businesses or brands that complement your values and provide a feeling of community. All right, now when you're collaborating, whether it is with a business or an individual, you've got to make sure it's a win-win for both parties. Collaboration is also networking, and you want to make sure that you are going to have a positive effect versus a negative effect. Because word of mouth travels so fast, you want to make sure that what is getting out about your business is positive and of course not negative. Stick with your niche, find somebody that's going to support you, and work together to create and achieve those goals. Now, I gave you a lot of options, but yes, pivoting your t-shirt business can be a challenging process, but by employing these strategies, you can adapt to changes in the market and position your business for long-term success. You guys know the drill. Like, subscribe, and follow us on social media. Thanks for tuning in, and happy decorating.